11:45 a.m. It's Tuesday morning, February 10th, 2026. I'm getting ready to head out to the feeding grounds. Got a squirrel bouncing around back here. Yeah, it's warming up, I guess, out here. We still have a lot of mourning doves perched in the branches of these trees out here, sporadically. Got one up in here somewhere. But anyways, as far as our sky conditions, yeah, we're kind of having those milky blues. Still having a few cloud structures, if you will, that are passing overhead rather quickly because of the winds. Got a cat that's coming down from, yeah, it was up in the tree. And we still have, as seen in my earlier recording, cat up in the tree back in here. Trying to get off of this now wet snow, if you will. Oh, we got a cardinal sitting back here. I just realized that. And I was actually thinking that the cats would be more or less napping out right now. Yeah, cardinal's just sitting there, right there. I'm seeing other cats out and about. And I believe blue jays have taken notice of me. Oh, one just flew down to the feeding tree. Yeah, they're starting to go into the feeding tree. Yeah, possibly under the understanding that I am headed out there, and of course they're keeping their talons crossed that I will be providing some peanuts, and well, I will be doing just that. And there's nothing to be seen around the greater light, with the exception of that milky white haze. Oh yeah, quite a little bit of bird activity kicking. Probably don't even really need to take any more seed out there, but oh, Mr. Generosity. And seeing as how there's nothing really to be recorded as far as the sky is concerned, once again, just backing off, dimming down this lighting. Oh, and I've just started to upload today's first compilation video of recorded clips. But yeah, this is what we got going as far as our sky. Like I said, just sporadically having these appearing. And they just They just pop out of nowhere. It's just like I'm seeing other things off here that it's just starting to pop into viewing. And all making their way in this direction. Oh. Of course, I go out there, it's going to cause quite the disturbance. Well, I just might bring you along for the ride. How's that sound? We'll see just what kind of disturbance might be created. 11:53. Let's continue on, shall we? You can see just how much of a breeze or a wind that we have out here. Getting quite blustery at times. Of course, we know what this is back here, right? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is direct north, right here. A little bit northeast, or northeast. We'll continue on. Well, walking up here, I just spooked a bunch of our mourning doves, as well as a few of the other birds. Hi, yeah, okay, and of course, I've been spotted. Where'd you? Oh. Just a minute, girl. I'm recording. Oh, wow. I just heard a small engine aircraft out here. And let's go ahead and view this once again through the branches. And this is one section, and apparently back in here is yet another section right there. It's a loud truck. Okay. There's, like I said, a lot of seeds still on the snow down here. That's slowly being pecked through. Oh, somebody singing to me. Where you at? I hear you. Oh. Yeah, so let's go ahead and distribute this right now. Hi, yeah. And, oh yeah. And we're getting this. Oop, I just got dripped down right in the face. Go ahead, toss the rest down here. Yeah, come on, Betsy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oop, slipping and sliding. Hi, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead. Well, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the water and maybe a little bit more cat food if needed. And we'll go ahead and resume. And of course, once you know it, little Tarzan girl Greystoke has been perched out here. And she is very well known for staying in the trees a lot of the time. And a cat that, well, I have still yet to get close to. I think I've actually stroked her back a couple of times in the past, but that's about it. And while these ones are rather busy right now, we can go ahead and spin around and focus in on this female cardinal here. At least I think that's what it is. Yeah. Where you at? Yeah. Very cool. Oh, and I got a chickadee that just flew up right next to me and is now up right there. And of course we got Patsy. This, yeah. The cat's really starting to upset me. It's not really because of, it's wanting to basically hunt down these birds, but it's the factor of being a total nuisance and annoyance while I'm trying to record. And now Oreo is planning on coming up. Alright, so basically squatted down as to block off. You are really annoying me. Yes, you are. You are getting annoying, right? Let's get you back around here behind me. Sorry. Disturbance. Hi, Oreo. You coming up? Go ahead. Go ahead. You can go on by. There you go. Good job. You stay put. And, there's, well, what is the chickadee? I guess we'll pause and wait. We got a bird behind me off in the distance that's making quite a little bit of ruckus. Chickadee has come back up. And, well, we should be having another blue jay popping in anytime. Oh, okay, never mind, it's the female cardinal. Let's come back. There we go. I guess that's who I was watching. I could only see like a black silhouette. Are we capturing her? Yeah, okay, right there. Come on in. Yeah. Well, come on. It's alright. Getting ever so closer. Moving in closer. And into the feeding tree. Oh, oh. Oh my. Yeah, we're getting the talkers that's moved in. Yeah, Blue Jay. Oh. Yeah, she's waiting for Blue Jay to move to get in there. The sparrows are going in. Here comes a Blue Jay. Should be landing down there anytime. There's the cardinal again. Yeah, Blue Jay just went in. Here comes more. Oh boy. I'm watching everything else that's going on around me, and I got our new addition, or I should say my newest addition that's wandered out here. Oh, Oreo, leave him alone. My chickadee really wants to get down here. Just flew down real quick and took off. Of course, we got a couple of cats right nearby. Well, the sparrows are really jabbering away. That's the chickadee. Took a couple of minutes. Oh, we got snow dropping from the branches. Alright, so we are getting more of the smaller birds moving in once again. Oh, come on. Only momentarily. Man, my phone's just not cooperating at all anymore. And of course we got jet aircraft that's flying across. Yeah, I'm trying to keep these cats busy and at bay so I can record just a little bit more. Oh, not sure what spooked them off. Oh, now we're going to have Alright, I guess I'm going to go ahead and end this because these cats are getting on my nerves. Well, now the Blue Jays want to start coming in, back in now that I say that. Well, a lot of sparrows starting to move in. And of course, these cats. Yeah, you don't like snowballs, do you? Huh? We got a lot of birds all about, but not coming up because of these cats. So I guess I will go ahead and end this recording. After all, I got plenty of content to post anyways. There's just too much cat activity up here right now. It doesn't help when they, want my attention. Alright, yeah. Good enough. It looks like we got some playful cats back here. Alright, that's enough. Skyway's out.